Wait, can you eat carbs on keto? Most people think it's zero carbs. Here's the truth about carbs on keto, how much you can actually eat and still lose fat. Carbs on keto diet. The keto diet emphasizes a high-fat, low-carb intake. It aims to induce a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, the body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Carbs play a minimal role in a ketogenic diet. The primary function of carbs in keto is to maintain energy levels. It is crucial to consume carbs without disrupting ketosis, a metabolic state where fat is used as the primary energy source. To maintain ketosis effectively, carb intake is typically limited to 20 to 50 grams per day. This restriction helps the body switch from using glucose as its primary fuel source to utilizing ketones derived from fat.